would say two things. First, we had to advance quickly. It wasn't just that we were not meeting consumer expectations, though that was the biggest impetus, but we were also in digital starting to fall behind the competitive set, or at least where we would expect the competitive set to get quickly. So it wasn't just that we had to move, or I had to move one brand forward. We had to move a portfolio of brands forward and create a step change fast. That was not something I could do alone. So honestly, my first step was find who's going to partner to help us figure this out. Then combining all the different priorities into one kind of cumulative list of uh, each brand has the list of top two or three things they want to get after. When we put together the enterprise view of that and what that business case looked like, it's a very powerful, compelling story. And every brand working previously by itself had a strong case, but not as powerful as when we put the whole picture together and said, this is what we've got to go get after. And I'll tell you, actually, it started 3.5, maybe 3 years ago at least. And it took us a year to put the whole business case together, the picture, get to what, a viable roadmap, what's this going to be. It was just much more massive than I think I fully appreciated even going into it.